Hey, what's up? It's Mark Terribellini, and in this video I kind of want to go over the projects I have lined up for this patio area. So right now I have this flat patio area outside the sliding glass door that goes into the kitchen and living room. And it's got issues. So you can see here, there's some rotting going on. And just, I don't like flat roofs in general because they just kind of collect water. So if you come up here and look, you can see there's some patching done here. There you can see like the line that goes along there. So they repatched this whole area because there was an issue prior. There's a bunch of flashing and stuff along here. There's actually a leak over here going on. And it's just a big pain in the ass. And what I need to do is basically pitch this roof up so the water can drain correctly and not just sit up here. There was a freeze last year and there was ice, just a huge thing of ice up here. It was just basically like a skating rink. And this doesn't drain very well, and it's just not designed well. And water just sits up here, collects, leaks inside, and it's just an issue. So the plan is to actually take this whole thing out, rip the whole thing out, and we're gonna pitch it kind of like a regular pitch on it. And that way the water drains down and can drain properly without kind of just sitting up there. Now the problem is in the city of Austin that you have to pull permits, so I can't just do it, hire somebody to do it for me. I have to get permits and get an architect, I believe, or engineer involved to make sure everything is done correctly and everything, which is probably a good thing, but it's going to cost a little bit more. So we're looking to getting the permits and the drawings and everything prepped right now, and that'll be, I'm not sure how long it's going to take. I think they're pretty backed up in the city, but that is the plan for this whole space. I guess it's going to take about maybe 2 days, maybe 3, to kind of rip it all out, put in the framing, and get it all ready to go. And then I'm also getting a new roof, which will be great. So the leak that I'm going to cover in another video here soon, the leak's going to get taken care of. This isn't going to be a leaking issue in the future, and it's just going to look a whole lot nicer too, and let in a whole lot more light too, because this is very dark, this whole area from this low ceiling. So should be better. But anyways, if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.